Hello all, welcome back to today's stream and let's get started. So today's stream is live. Uh, we are going to be filling in the details and most probably possibly deploying. I have two goals for the day. The first one is to do with Beta OS, so I better finish that. And the second one, I'm beginning debugging a QA report that has been received on another application that I'm building. So those are my two goals for today. I've already filled them in my app, but I can't mark them yet. I haven't started. I did my press ups last night and I've prayed. So let's get started. Uh, so, what do we do first? The first thing we need to do is actually research on some keywords, write a description, fill in the privacy policy and terms and conditions which I've already written. Uh, will we need a website? Buy a domain. Yeah, we'll need to buy a domain name. And yeah, what else? Let's say that's all at the moment. So let's get started. Yeah, so to get started, we have already logged into our app store. So if you remember, yesterday we filled in the screenshots. I'll say I'll need light mode screenshots, which I'll do today, but it mustn't be. It can be not on the live stream. So I'll decide on that later. So at the moment, we need some promotional text, some description, uh, find the right keywords, look for a domain name, uh, yeah, and some, and just fill in the details for the in-app purchase so that when we, and fill in the details for our application like the name, uh, subtitle, bundle ID, which we already have, uh, just to make sure that every detail is okay when we submit it to the App Store for review. So what do we start with? Let's start with finding the domain, and yeah, not the domain. Let's start with some promotional text, and we can do that with the AI I was using, which I use anti-gravity, but for this application I wanted to be more hands-on because I'm also a developer. uh, I decided to use just an assistant, not one that will code for me the entire application. I went with Amazon Q. I really love Amazon Q compared to, what's the name of this other one, Copilot or Casa. Uh, yeah, so let's get started. While the extension is loading, it's Valentine's, and I hope you all are going out with your girls. But today I needed to do this. Then, yeah, let's see. The extensions are activating. But what is Beta OS? Let me inform you. So Beta OS is a AI context. AI is an aware is a context aware application that lets you create coaches and helps you attain your goals by creating a crew that is there to assist you prioritize, create, and process your feelings. We allow this by allowing coaches to create AI versions of themselves, which you can call or chat to in case you have any question and their guidance. Let's say it's your favorite mentor in your pocket. Uh, yeah, so let's use that as a promotional text. Your favorite mentor in your pockets. Is it your most favorite mentor in your pocket? Yeah, that can be a good promotional text. Now a description. So we have two options. We can either, and also I'll need to find some keywords. So that those are some really big tasks. I don't have the Astro account, so how I look for keywords is through app figures. So we'll be using that today. So description. Let's check if our Amazon queue has finished loading. Let's wait on it. But let's begin with keywords. So what is my app? AI coaches in your pocket, right? Uh, AI coach. Let's see the keywords that each of these are ranking for. I started using app figures just recently, so I do not 100% understand how it works. Uh, let's see ASO. A personal training, true coach, coaching app. It's it's ranking number one for all those type of. Uh-huh. So I think we should let's look for life coaching. I'm not sure it's bringing the same results. Life 360, 2.2 million. What does this talk about? So app tracking, app tracker, tracking app. So this is a tracking application. No, we don't need that. Let's look at my coach. Okay, so it hasn't ranked for any keywords yet, but 2.2K reviews, that's really good. Let's look at lifetime digital, lifetime app. So a lot of coaching apps are, let's say, fitness related, right? Not yet ranked. This one is a travel app. So this looks like an untapped field according to my view. I'm not sure about you, because how comes you're not getting life coach apps, life coaching? Let's check for life coaching. You see, still football and sports. What we can do is ask Claude to help us. No, perplexity. We can ask it to help us find some keywords, and then filter it out via filter it out via the app figures. So uh, let's inform our AI to write for us a description. Help me write an entire ASO optimized description of Better OS and mention all features. Do not focus on the features, rather let's focus on how the app could help the user. We are launching on App Store, thus we what is the word? Yeah, I accidentally clicked enter, but no worries. Your life operating system stop starting over. AI that knows you. I don't like the fact that it only focuses on a context aware AI. We also have other features like coaching, but I can see the ASO is only focusing on like context aware. Every day you open a dozen apps, you repeat the same context, you lose momentum switching. Better OS changes. Imagine a AI assistant that remembers your core value. Uh, nope, I don't like that. So let's do, no, I do not like that. Let's use the AI coaching as a pivot and the context aware AI as a support. Yeah, let's see how it will take us when you use that direction. The coaching you need exactly when you need it. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, I really like this description is a bit it's a bit better, let's be honest. So what does it say? The coaching you need exactly when you need it. Talk to the boss for focus, the creative for ideas. This each one knows you deeply. The coaching you've always wanted in your pocket. You know what you need? Someone to push you when you're stuck, someone to expand your thinking when you're creating, someone to help you when you're overwhelmed. Better OS gives you all three, and they actually know who you are. Meet the AI coaches, the bosses, the creatives, the stoic. Perfect for evening reflection, anxiety spiral, finding clarity in chaos. Coaches that actually know you. Here's what makes BetterOS different. Your coaches remember everything, not just from today's conversation, from day one. They know your core values, your 5-year vision, what brings you anxiety, what lights you up. So, okay, that sounds good, but that's not the only feature. Remember our marketplace. Not sure why. I think I need to attach. Let's get angry at the AI a bit, although I'm not angry. Let's say, what the fuck? Uh, let us actually use the marketplace. Create chat and talk to your favorite mentors for knowledge and advice. Remember, uh, they have knowledge on the users the mentors style with training via rag. Yeah, so that's correct. Let's see how it will handle this. That's not the only feature though. And we can now tell it, now combine all features. They are good, but they work together to make my app functional. Yeah, so I'll need to copy this because I really liked this and this as well. Uh, then we can tell the AI create a better version of the two. Yeah, this is way better. Now we'll need to pass it through Gemini. Actually, Perplexity. Help me suggest ASO optimized keywords for this version of an app. Then we just paste in our description. Meanwhile, while it's thinking, let's Gemini. Then we can just paste in the description, and this is what we tell it. Help me write this as normal text instead of markdown for use in the App Store, because App Store does not allow for it doesn't allow for markdown. Let's do that. Then you can just change that to thinking. Doesn't need a lot of thinking to do that. And then we can copy this, and then just paste it in the description box. and then take out some additional words that we do not need. Oops, wrong one. Maybe it's too long, I'm not sure, but I'm trying to copy it. I copied to clipboard finally. Mhm. The description must be less than 4,000 characters. Mhm. So I'll need to copy it over here. Where is it? Control A, Control C, and paste it on Gemini. This stubborn person over here that keeps running around, his name is Miso. Cut him. The issue, let's see. There, it's still more than 4,000 characters. We need to take out 2,000 characters. What? Let's see if Perplexity can help us. Yes, 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 yes. Let's see if this is 4,000 or less. If it isn't, we'll need to edit by ourselves and remove things that we see are irrelevant. Mhm. So yeah, we'll just have to edit on our own. What if you could ask Steve Jobs about your strategy? So as you know, you can't edit on on Apple, so that is going to be really hard for us. I've seen data we do not need over here. Yeah, subscription, no need for that. Keywords, we can take that out of here. Even this. So we don't need all that. What's new? We can leave that version. Hmm. Then edit that accordingly. Yeah, so what we now need to do is make sure that uh, it's readable, because as you saw, it was really squeezed. And now imagine if a user wants to read our description. So coaches, legendary mentors, marketplace, context engine, those are our features. Voice first, proactive check-ins, yeah, up to them. Realignment, let's take this out. Yeah, so that's better. And just make sure that we edit it properly. Better OS makes it real. Discover legendary mentors. Browse hundreds of AI coaches, trains the world's greatest minds. Yeah, trained on real books, not generic AI. AI that remembers you. Built-in coaches for daily lives. That's true. Voice conversations anywhere. Walk and talk. Morning with Marcus. Commute with the creative. Lunch with Steve Jobs. Speak naturally. They listen, clarify, summarize, no typing. Yeah, awesome. Proactive accountability. Coaches check in. Yeah, realignment button. That is a feature that we have, but it's hidden. It's for in case of emergencies. So the marketplace by category. Yeah, create your own perfect coach. How it works. Tell your story once. Browse, build your marketplace, chat, voice, get proactive check-ins. We do not need this part over here. Who needs this? We do not need this as well. Can take that out. Yeah, so we are done with the description. Now the keywords, we need to do some research, and actually let's save this in case of anything. So keywords, we had gotten some few keywords that I liked from Perplexity. Let's have a look at them once more. So primary keywords, high search volume, AI coach. We saw that is true. So we come here, Control V. You can have a look. The ones that are ranking well really have big number of downloads. So we can do that as well. I'm receiving a call. I won't answer it now. Mr. Peter, I'm really sorry, but I'm on a live stream. I'll call you later. Please. Okay. So AI coach we seen does well. So actually we can add that. You need them separated by commas. Let's have a look here. Include one or more keywords that describe your app. Keywords make App Store search results more accurate. Separate keywords with an English comma, Chinese comma, or a mix of both. So I don't know what that means, but yeah, let's search for personal AI, how it's performing. Personal AI. Yeah, look at the number of downloads. I actually don't want that. I want App Store. Let's filter via iOS. So still fitness coaches. So that's we still have a gap over here for life personal life coach. What do you think, guys? So personal life coach. Yeah, let's use that as well. Other than personal AI, let's look for one more for others AI mentor, life coach AI, still showing the same. I believe these apps have really dominated the results. That is, you see, same apps, same apps. So for us that we really do what we say, I believe that's a really good. Yeah, we have something maybe on our hand. Let's do that. What else? Productivity coach. You see, anything that has to do with coach in the name, true coach comes up. Uh-huh. Just the same ones. So that coach keyword and productivity is showing up for this. Okay, so that will also be a good keyword to target. Huh. Let's ask Gemini. Let's change this to Pro, and then we give it the ability for deep research. Here, let's tell it, help me brainstorm 100 keywords that I can use to rank my app for better ASO. Remember to drink your water, guys. Nope. So Gemini is really bad. No, I can't use that. So what we need to do is tell Perplexity, uh, help me brainstorm, let's say 40 more primary keywords, high search volume and core relevance. Yeah. Wow. Let me use this. Say hello. Mm. Uh, it looks like it doesn't want me to log in, and my VPN is not on. So we just need to agree and in the move. Let's see the ones it gave me before it told me to log in. Oh, it actually gave me, so I don't need to log in. Oh, it logged me in. It was just an issue on their end then. So chat coach app, that's a really good one. We need, yeah, wow, these are really better. Personalized mentor, AI productivity coach, business AI coach. uh Yeah, life coach AI. Let's not forget that. We still have 32 more words. We can do habit coach. You don't need AI there. We already did life coach AI, so no need for that anymore. Uh, let's habit coach, accountability, personal development. Yeah, let's do that. No, I don't think that's a good keyword. So, chat coach app. Yeah, yeah. Then another one is talk to AI coach. Yeah, these two. And it has fit perfectly. What? Zero words I need to delete. So mm, now we have reached to the place where we need to. So we'll say 2026 Savity LLC. Version support URL and marketing URL. I believe I need to buy a domain. Let's do that. Let's now look for Namecheap. Let me look for my card. I'm coming back. Kindly give me a few. I'm sorry, I can't find my card, but let's try buying with crypto. You can try buying a card. You can try buying it with crypto. Or first, let me log in. Let me check how much I have in my account. Maybe there's some balance. Zero 0.89. No, that's not enough, right? Hmm, that's not enough. We haven't even found a domain, but I'm sure that's not enough. Let's see how we can top up. This is a really long process and it will require me to go on phone. So I'm going to switch from a good camera to a really bad camera. Let's see. Minimum amount is $5. Okay, but I'm sure I had some money on that card. Let's see. I'm going to stop presenting my screen and look for my card. Yeah, so let me look for the correct domain first, then I can check the price. Uh, betteros dot how is app. You know, .com can be a bit expensive. It sounds like a premium domain. Yeah, you see, 10K for .com. .to is $29. .ai 79. Let's see, $4. This is $2.98. $2.98. We haven't. Oh, $12 for .app. At is no cc so let's look for the cheapest one then. We actually just need a domain for, what's the name, hosting the privacy policy. Dot store, no, not dot store, domain dot cc. Mhm. Let's see, it's an, let's look for $2 or less. Dot xyz, it's exactly $2. Dot website, dot monster, dot cou, dot shop, dot icu, dot fun, uh, dot rest, dot quest, dot space. Looks like I like this dot space. Yeah, let me go with this. Why $1.98? Let's view items in the cart. So I pay a dollar for, why the hell? It was 0.98, or was I hallucinating? Do I need a promo code? Check out. Uh, I'm still looking for a way on how I will actually send money to this card. I don't need this. It's free trials that always ruin me. So let's confirm the order. Then, no, not this card. Let's change. I really hope I've saved that card. Edit. Kindly confirm if you can see my screen so I don't leak. I don't want to leak my card details. Mhm. Let me check this browser. This browser. Really hope I saved. I've looked for that card of mine everywhere. Can't find it. Uh, so settings, payment. It's not this. Let's check this other one. Not this. Still not this. I'm really sorry. I have to do this. I'm going to a bad camera. Uh-huh. But it's only shortly until I can make the payment on my card. Mhm. So let's add a video capture over here. Yeah, so let me just get out on my phone and actually need to pay the card. So let me just log into my bank. Mhm. Log in, enter my PIN. Mhm. Once that is done, I can uh, select a card I want to top up. No, I actually need to top up to my debit card, right? So let me send money to one of my debit cards. Yeah, uh, yeah, I have topped up. Uh, Now I can use one of my card. Which is actually still linked. Okay, so I can now continue. Something is really off with my internet today. It's really throwing me off. I really hate that. And to think that, so I'm turning off the bad camera and we are back live on my phone, right? Yeah. So I need to. I'm being billed. Okay, guys, take a short water break. We are coming back. Let me just check what could be up with my internet. It's okay, not bad. So there's an issue with the Namecheap. Let me just start over once again. Namecheap.com. So buy a browser, buy a domain. Uh, Take a water break, guys. I'm just reminding you. Let me fetch some water. Well, that is loading. Cheers. Now, yeah. So let's buy the domain. Had already checked, added it to my cart. Then we can just confirm the order. Confirm order. Then we are on the checkout. What you are going to do is click on pay now. It's placing the and order is processing. I have purchased it successfully. I have received the message from my bank. Yeah, so yeah, now I need to make the website. That is, aha, uh, we'll need to make the website and they add the privacy policy and then deploy it to production. After we are done with that, next thing we'll need to do is publish the privacy policy, then add it to Play Store. So guys, let's just do that. Website, let's tell this to create us a prompt. We can now pin our context. I believe not yet. Okay, no worries. So help me create a prompt that will help me build a live production website for my Beta OS app. What do we need it to be? We need it to be minimalistic, modern, and state of the art. Create an example prompt and let me know. Then we can just send it. Prompt for Meta OS landing page. I need to pass in some skills. So one thing I have learned is we go over to, then we click on Cloud front-end skills, then copy that. Then we just look for the first article by Claude that teaches us about front-end skills. Copy that. Improving front-end designs through skills. So we usually have some better prompts over here, which we can paste to our AI model to tell it to use search. So we come over here, we paste that in, then okay, then what else? We don't need an RPG style. Let's use general prompt as well, and put it there, and then we can send. Let's see how that will behave. Then after we get that prompt, we take it and then we paste it on Gemini, and then it will create for us the landing page, which we can copy the code, create a new next project, and deploy it. Meanwhile, let's start by creating a new project. So cd dot cd beta os landing page. That wasn't supposed to be there. Oh, mk, we'll just create a new one, no need to make a directory. So need to look on that, create a new next 16 project. Let's take that command, copy it, clear, beta os landing page. And just scroll back slowly while fixing those. Yeah, we have a wonderful prompt. We can take that, copy, then paste it to Gemini. Are the tools that Gemini will need to use for this? Number one, he'll need to use the Pro and the Canva. So let's just add it to him. So Canva, he's got Canva, and let me paste in the prompt. Then any other tool that he needs? No. So let's give that to him and see what it will do. While we wait for that, let's have a look at our next project, how it's coming along. The command has not yet started running. So one thing I have noticed, sometimes my laptop gets a lot of hang, and when it does that, I need to actually restart the computer. The live might go off, but immediately it goes off, I'm creating a new live and we are coming back. That is in case I need to, in case. You see, it's hanging a lot now. Let me just close some tasks to see if that can help. But there are no tasks running. What? When task manager won't open. It's that bad. Something is taking up 47% or 90 memory, all that memory. What's taking up all that memory? OBS Studio, CPU, and Brave. Wow. Task manager taking system interrupts. VS Code, we can shut down one. No. My theme color is sky blue, black, and white, as it used it accordingly. So we'll tell it this looks really bad. The texts are not readable. The styles on the card do not make sense. A 5-year-old can make better than this. Come on, you are the best front end developer in the world. Sort that out as soon as possible. And remember to add the privacy policy and terms of service page. Thanks. Control A, Control C. We have exhausted Pro. Fuck. Let's use thinking then. It's building. Wow, a lot better. Check that out. Let's see it on full screen. How do I do that here? Perfect. I love the text. I love the styles, but on some devices, the text on the hero is contrasting with the background. Kindly fix that. And we do not have a manifesto page or even a pricing page. We are live. No need for users to join the waitlist. Add a bento section where we can show our screenshots of the application. What else do we need from it? You can add dummy images and make sure the contrast on the footer is 100% visible. What else have we noted? Make dummy example of a privacy policy and terms of service, making sure it is edited to look state of the art. Yeah, then we can send that. Do not change the style or design, just use the copy I have sent and the details I need tweaked. So I had created some copy of the description of the project. We can use that. We can use this. Then just paste it there. Then submit. Boom. 1, 2. It's building. Perfect. Check that out. But the text, I'll need to change that. Yeah, I love that. So let's copy this code. I'll just need to tweak some few texts on the home screen. Let's check if my next finished. Not yet. So I'll need to copy the code one by one. He wrote it in one file. So the first one is hmm, this is. I think I'll just copy this whole file and copy it in layout. Let's just copy this whole file and proceed with setting up uh, the landing page. Oof. Guys, remember to take a smoke break. Sorry, I mean a water break. I'm coming back. So they said name cannot contain capital letters. I really like this landing page. What we'll need to do is just perfect the colors. Yeah, so this really look nice. We need to just change the colors on the landing page, then we'll make it perfect. Perfecto. Yeah. Wow, this landing page looks really nice. Let's check on this. Still not yet. Yes, let's go with defaults. It's installing the dependencies finally. Hey, it has taken a long time. I could have even done something else. I could have made lunch. Let's see. So what we need to do is set up the marketing, the website, then privacy policy, terms of service. Then we'll be done with this page. Our app doesn't need a sign in, so there's no need for that. We will manually, no, automatically. Then app app information will come fill that. So yeah, let's finish with this first landing page, then we can proceed. So I'm not leaving until you are done with the landing page. Then I'll take a short break to go out for lunch. Then I'll be back. Do you guys think these two will align? Not sure about that. We wait and see until it's deployed. I'm just waiting for it to say happy hacking, and I'll be happy as F. Then I can close this page and then open the other one. Is OBS still taking a lot of memory, a lot of CPU? Yeah, a lot of CPU is being consumed. I think I'll need to clean the fans in this machine. Sorry, I was distracted. It's been, I think, over 1.5 hours. Let's see. Hmm. Wow, this next thing is really taking a long time. Wish I could have used PNP. The moment I see happy hacking, I'll be happy as F. Meanwhile, let's wait. Oh, it's really taking a long time. I hope you guys can see. Say hello. We are waiting for the completion of this. It's my internet, I think, right? Yeah. Maybe next time I should check on the internet before I start streaming. Rashid can't answer now. Wow, it has taken a really long time. It's loading. Guys, so let's pause for a short break. We'll be back to deploy the website. then continue after lunch. Anyway, have a wonderful rest of your day. Ciao. Anyway, guys, let's take a short break to actually uh, to, to 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 wait for it to finish building and creating the template to start the next app. And we meet after lunch. Have a nice rest of your day. Ciao.